But it's your car. What do you want 5 minutes for?
I just walked in the door.
Hey, it's Rob. Welcome to Axel's Garage. Emily just walked in the door after a long trip. She's been driving like 8 hours today.
More than that.
More than that. You hear her? More than that. And she wants to take Cosmo to work tomorrow. You know Cosmo. Her trusty old Cherokee. She really loves it. But Cosmo's been sitting about 3 weeks and we haven't used Cosmo. So I went out and I said, oh shoot, Emily wants to take Cosmo to work. And what happened? Cosmo is dead. Not even clicking, nothing at all. The interior lights are all LED, they're coming on, but it does not have enough juice to do the door locks. So I had to use the key to get in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna teach Emily how to use the magic jump box, because that's what I'm gonna send her back to school with. Now she's going back to school with her Nissan Rogue. And she's gonna go back to school with the Rogue and all the Rogue's insurance bullshit, which we'll cover in another video. However, today we're talking about Cosmo and the magic jump box. You look like you're a mess.
I feel like I'm a mess.
You've only been driving 8 hours.
It's been 10 hours since I got in the car.
Well, she was in Virginia Beach for the weekend, and she took a nice drive back, and the drive was probably pretty nice until she hit the Goethals Bridge, you know, coming back to New York, and sat in traffic.
It monsooned.
It monsooned, she said. That means it rained a lot in normal people speak. It rained a lot. She's monsooned.
I couldn't see.
All right, so what we have is the magic box. See this, Em?
Yeah.
This is the magic box made by Autowit.
Okay.
You got that?
Yeah.
All right, now this jump box, not like many others, does not have to be charged for you to be able to use it, because it will take what little battery is in your battery's vehicle's battery. Now, unless this is completely dead, which when we open the doors, your interior lights came on, so it's not completely dead.
Got it.
So we take the magic box out, and we're going to take the magic box alligator clips, right? So what we do here is we're going to go red on positive, black on negative, and we are going to plug this in, and hopefully there's enough juice in the battery to fire this thing up here. And it says charging 3, 4, 5. You see that here? So the vehicle's battery has only got about 6 volts or so, and it's charging this up. So we're going to wait for this to get to 99%.
Cool.
If it gets to 100, even better, but I'd be happy with 99. What time is it?
8:02.
8:02 p.m. So let's see how long it's going to take. 8:02 p.m. In the meantime, we've used this a couple of times. One time we used it, we tried to use it, I think it was on Barry White, completely dead, could not use it, so we plugged it into a 2 volt, the smallest Apple box, and we used the USB to charge this thing up to get the capacitors charged up that's inside of it, and it took about 30 minutes. We did a video on it. It took about 30 minutes or so. You can go and plug this into a higher output USB in the house and plug it into here to charge it up if your vehicle battery is completely stone cold dead, or you can use a cigarette lighter adapter and charge it up if your vehicle battery is completely dead and this isn't working for you like this, and you have a friend, like Emily's away at school, kids that are away at school, they might have, you know, they'll go over to their friend's car, plug into the cigarette lighter, and in about 5 minutes, 10 minutes, it'll be charged up to the 99% that you need it at. But if you do have a little bit of juice in your battery, and all you need is a little bit of juice, like right now this battery is showing 7.1 volts, and it's already at 60%. What time we at, Em?
8:03.
8:03, so it's only been like a minute and a half, 2 minutes the most. We're at 62%, so now we're just gonna wait it out till it hits about 99. When that happens, I've done it at 99, I've waited till 100, it really doesn't matter. 99 is good for me. You hit this button. When you hit this button, there's a little button right here, Little red button. You hit that. When you hit that, it starts a 10-second countdown. It'll beep, beep, beep once every second. 10-second countdown. Once it gets to 10, it's going to give a steady beep. And that steady beep is telling you, hey, turn that key, and we're going to start up. Where are we at? 70% already. What time is it, Em?
8:04.
8:04. Now, do you understand the principle behind this? So this doesn't get charged up in advance,
Yes.
like a regular jump pack, right? So you can leave it in the back of your car. It could be dead. You can leave it there for months or years. When you need it, when you go and you get a click, you get that one little click. So the battery's not completely dead. The lights are coming on. If we turn the headlights on, they would come on. But the lights are coming on inside the car, and you could hear something going on when you turn the key, like a click.
Yeah.
But it's not enough to start your car. That means it's not completely dead. You could take this out, and you could wait the 3 to 5 minutes it's going to take to get to 99. And then what it does is it takes the little juice that's left in your battery, and it sucks it all into the magic box. And then when you do that 10-second countdown, it's going to be ready, and what it'll do, it's going to send all that juice that it's sucked into the magic box into your battery all at once to give you enough power to start. Make sense? Mm-hmm. Make sense to you? I don't know the science behind it. That's why I call it the magic box. 82%. What time are we at?
8:05.
8:05. So we're 3 minutes in, 82%. That's pretty good. What do you think? About $110 for this little magic box. Right? Worth it to have in the back of the car?
Mm-hmm.
You never had to jump this at school. So far, 2 years at school, right?
No.
No.
Nope.
No. Did you have to jump anybody else?
Yeah.
You did. You jumped? You were the jumper? Yeah.
I don't have
Who
it.
had jumper cables?
Our friend at school.
Ah, you see now you got to find somebody with jumper cables. But if you just have a magic box,
I didn't have a magic box.
no, you're gonna have a magic box. You're gonna get 87%.
Okay.
That's pretty good. 87. So I think for kids in college, these are probably better. And the reason being, especially if they're parked at their dorm or their apartment or where they live, even if their battery is completely dead, they could run in the house and use the USB, and in 25 minutes or so, it's charged up. I mean, the lowest speed USB would take a half hour. If you got one of those, bigger boxes, the new iPhones come with, or the just a computer, a beefier, USB adapter plug thing box, whatever you want to call it, is going to get it a little bit faster. 93 already. So we're at 93, right? Em, you think you can do this? Red on red, black on black?
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Right, red on red, black on black. What you got to do is then you plug it in here. It says charging, right? 95, 96, 96 already. 96% already. Right, pretty good. Then you got to take this, and you got to make sure that this stuff isn't laying near anything that spins. So you put it all on the side like this. 97, we're pretty close. And then that's all you do is you put your clips on, and you plug it in. It automatically starts charging. And then once it gets to the 98, once it gets to 99, we're going to hit that button. We're going to get the keys ready. Keys are in the car. Keys are in the car.
your pocket.
No, they're in the car.
You had them a second ago.
I know they're in the car. I put them in the car. All right, 99. We're at 99. Here you go. Can you zoom in on that, please?
It's shaky.
Right, 7 volts, 99. It's shaky because you're shaking. Oh, you mean the LED flash? Well,
Yeah.
it says 99% there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to hit this button.
They're in your pocket. You put them in your pocket. I saw you.
Holy cow, what'd I do with the keys?
They were in your pocket.
I know they were in my pocket.
Hold this.
Well, there goes that. Did I put them in the thing?
They're in here.
Ah. Oh, that's a big fail.
I told you had them.
I know I had them. They were in the thing. You're filming here. The keys weren't in my pocket. They weren't in the car. They were in the Autowit thing. So we're going to do it over again. We're going to plug it in, but we never used it. So it's at 84%, so it'll be quick. What a dummy. What a dummy. I thought the keys were sitting on the seat.
Nope.
Of course not. 88%. This will not stay charged. This isn't a battery that gets charged. So like you could see, it was up at 100. We hit the button. It did give, when I went in the car and I heard it on the steady beep, that steady beep, the lights in the car got brighter because it was blasting the power, 92. Now, when it hits 100%, it will beep and let you know it's at 100. Then you can hit the button for the countdown. At 99, if you're in a hurry and you want to wait to 99, when it hits 99, you just hit the button and you're good. We're at 94 again. That was pretty good. It was under 5 minutes.
Yep.
Right? But now we're waiting again because I'm a dummy and I didn't have the keys.
Told you.
But you said they were in my pocket. They weren't in my pocket. I put them in the carry case. Nice hard shell carry case with a handle. I like it. I have no complaints yet so far. We've used it a couple of times. We've only videoed it once or twice. That's why I just wanted to make a video and teach Emily how to use it. If I could teach Emily how to use it, you could teach your kid how to use it. All right, it's at 99. Let's let it get to the 100. Ready? Because you'll see what it does when it hits the 100.
New Crocs.
I got my new Crocs on. All right, it's at the 100. It beeped. So now I'm going to press the red button. I got my 10-second countdown. All right, steady. There we go. All right, you let it do that 10-second countdown. Then when you hear the steady beep, it's finished. Pull that out, and you can see it only went down to 89% on that one. And this 89% power will bleed off. There's no on off. You just leave it like that. Pull the box out. The wires back. You see these a little recharge.
Will this start up when I use it tomorrow?
Yeah, we'll let it run a little bit. All right, box goes in just like that. Magic box, nice and easy. You come around here.
Oh, there you go.
I'm gonna throw this in the back. I'll leave it in the back for Emily just in case, and I don't know if there's any left.
Not really, no.
Why were you saying?
I don't know.
You charge it? And that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna give Emily a little juice in her AC, and let me know, have you used this? I think it's perfect for college students. Real good. It's a perfect college student thing. 100 to 150 bucks, depending on if you hit a sale or not. I'll link it in the description below, and as always, thanks for watching.